Hello everyone, in today's quick tutorial I will show you the easiest way to make a network request without using any library inside your SwiftUI project, only using async and await method. So in this example I have my final class, my network manager, which has shared static instance. So this is only to use the same instance across the whole project. This is base URL. As you can see, this is localhost, so I'm using mock-on application for mocking network requests. This, however, this only works on your iOS simulators. And this is get info URL, so base URL, and we add this get info root. So this is the root, and what you need to do is make a function get info, add async keyword, and it returns, in my case, it returns result user info response network error, but you can also just return user info response nullable, for example. First thing we need to check is guardlet URL, if we can construct URL from this here, else we return with a failure. We make a do catch, so we need to make a do catch. Inside that, make a request with this URL up here, HTTP method. So you basically what you need, in this case it is get, but it can also be post, put, request set value. This is for JSON, content type is JSON. You can just copy this line. So, and this is the important part, let tuple of data and response we need to use with try await. So we are waiting for response from this network request that can be a couple of seconds, for example. So URL session share data for this request here. In my case, I want to know what is the status code from this response. So, and based on the status code, so if this is 200, this is okay, and I just try JSON decoder, so I decode the response from this data here. So from this decode to user info response. So this is my structure, and I just return dot success decoded response. If this failed, so here we have do catch and this try, then I just return failure. Also, if it is 500 on something else, return failure. And also here for the whole do catch, if something, for example, this fails, return failure. Okay, and just for a quick overview, structure user info response, simple structure with it needs to conform to codable, two parameters, that's it. And enum network error, so it conforms to error, and couple of cases, it can be how many you have in your example. And this is the whole network manager, so you don't need to import anything to make this request. Okay, and how to call it inside some of your view. We have some view here, for example, on appear. What you need to do is open task. So you need to open task, and inside it call await your network manager shared instance get info. Without this keyword it won't work, because this method is async, and we need to mark it with await, because we are waiting for the value from this network request that can take some time. We don't know that. That's it for this quick video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. You can find a lot more useful content about SwiftUI topic, and see you in the next video.